Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing something a little different today and just recording straight from my iPhone because I am so pressed for time this week. I'm actually on my way to a grocery store just to pick something up and going to be going away for the weekend. So overall topic of this video is I just want to point out the fact that I haven't really made any investing related videos as of recently. And that's because I am putting a pause on my financial investing just to focus on projects around the house. And as some of you guys are aware, I am preparing to be a father. So there's going to be a lot of extra financial expenses coming up just due to the fact that little Spath has a club foot. And if you guys do not know what a club foot is, it's basically when the foot kind of grows and it's a little bit crooked, but that's going to be able to be resolved through either bracing or surgery. So the first couple months we're going to put a lot of focus in on going to a lot of doctor's appointments and figuring out how to get that corrected, because apparently 1 out of every 1,000 babies in the US is born with this is considered a birth defect. But as of right now, the doctors are saying that everything else looks normal. Little Spath just has a crooked foot, so we're going to get that resolved, and little Spath should be able to walk normally when they grow up. So everything is going to be great. It's just going to be a little bit of financial strain coming up, paying for a lot of fuel to get to the right places because we might have to travel out of state to see doctors. So that's why for right now, just focusing on a lot of my finances on trying to make sure that little Spath grows up big, healthy, and everything like that. So we are also going to be switching to one income here. So we're going to be primarily relying on my income. And that's why I'm not going to have any extra funds to be able to invest, buying stocks, cryptocurrency, anything like that. So overall, this channel, I still want to make finance content. I also just want to make some cooking videos. So maybe I'll talk more about budgeting stuff in the near future and parenting budget and all that sort of stuff. So there still will be financial videos on this channel. Just going to be a little bit different as I adjust to becoming a father. So if you guys want to stick around for that process, that'd be greatly appreciated. But yeah, just wanted to make this quick little update video to let you guys know that I'm most likely not going to be purchasing any stocks or cryptocurrencies in the very near future. And I hope you guys stick around because we're going to have a lot of fun with different types of videos. I'm thinking about making more short videos like this on specific topics. So if there's anything that you guys have questions on, I also might make a whole weekly vlog series dedicated to little Spath's clubfoot and how the recovery process is going to go. So stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if I'll upload that series onto this channel or another channel, but we'll see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.